In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up in Wrike. Backing up your Wrike data is an important habit that helps protect your projects, tasks, and important information from accidental changes or deletions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips along the way so you feel confident using Wrike's backup tool. First, open your Wrike workspace in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Look towards the top left area of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your initials or profile image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where you'll find options related to your personal settings and account configuration. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you away from your main workspace view and into your user or account settings page. If you see more than one settings option, choose the one that takes you to your broader account settings rather than just personal profile details. Once you're in the settings area, you may see different tabs or sections, depending on your role and permissions in Wrike. Look for the section that manages account level options. If there is another settings link or tab within this page, click on that as well. The goal is to reach the main account settings screen, where administrative tools, including backup options, are located. On the account settings page, scroll until you find the backup section. Here, you should see a link or button that says Download Backup Tool. This is Wrike's utility for exporting and backing up your account data. Click on Download Backup Tool. Your browser will begin downloading the backup tool installer or application appropriate for your system. When the download finishes, open the file and follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through installing or launching the backup tool and may ask you to sign in with your Wrike account, choose where to save the backup, and select what data to include. Make sure you choose a secure location with enough storage space, such as an external drive or a dedicated backup folder. Once you've completed the steps in the backup tool, your Wrike data will be exported and safely stored, giving you extra peace of mind for your projects and tasks.